Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be a little kind of a story and slash repair or whatever you want to call it video. So, turn the card around. A little bit about us. Fencerfixer.com is our site. We're a repair place. We work on all brands and ages of electric fence boxes. We also work on cattle scales and low bars and EID tag readers for the handheld kind and the little big antenna panel kind. We work mostly on the Gallaghers. We used to do True Test and some other brands. True Test has got a policy in place to put in last spring of 2020 that only they are allowed to work on their stuff. Nobody else is allowed to work on it. Even their big dealers that have repair places that work on them and sell them, they don't allow them to work on them anymore. So now on True Test, you typically got to send it to them, or if it's something silly and simple, we can do that here. But if internals, you got to go to them. But anyways, now this is a M800 new style Gallagher, and the story behind this one is it's not really a repair. It's we're fixing this unit, but the guy had sent me in a Zareba 100 mile. It was a 6 output Joule unit. And it was just blown to bits from lightning. It just destroyed basically everything. The only thing that was good on it was the case, the power cord, and the capacitor. The rest of the boards, the transformer was split apart. It was just junk. I quoted the guy a price to fix it, and he's like, well, I don't know. It's kind of a more money I want to put into it. I said, yeah, I know. It's a pretty rough shape. It was about a 4-year-old unit, 3-year-old. It wasn't very old. And I said, well, he said, what would you do? I said, well, could fix it. It's cheaper than buying a new. I said it's cheaper than buying a brand new Zareba 100 mile by a little bit, but it's kind of exceeded the value. It was over half the price. It was pretty expensive, probably 60-70% of the cost of a new one. And I understood where he was coming from, not to fix it, because I didn't actually fix. I went through, looked at everything, tested some stuff, and I said, I'm not gonna go no further. If this guy says trash it, we're gonna just trash the dumb thing. Well, anyways, he asked me, he said, hey, do you happen to have any good used units, rebuilt units, or anything like that? I said, well, maybe. Let me, can I call you back? He said, yeah, no problem, call me back. So about a day or so went by. I had to stop what I was doing and go look around. And I had a M800 new style sitting here on my what kind of shelf you want to call it. But anyways, had some. It was, I think it was a unit that we bought it or what we did, but I think I stole some parts out of it because I had to put a new board and a new capacitor in. The transformer was still in there. I think that's, I don't remember. It's been a couple of years probably. The good thing about this, if he buys it from me, it's a 2019 model. See the serial number there, 19. So I could technically give him a 3-year warranty on this. Just treat it as like a scratch and dent model or whatever, knock some money off of the price of a new one, and still be able to give them a 3-year warranty on it. Because back in 2018, of January of 2018, Gallagher came out with a 3-year warranty, and technically, with this being a 2019 model, I can fix this unit, and I've already talked to the customer. He's totally fine with it. He's like, oh yeah, that's fine, as long as it works. I'm happy with it. So the transformer is good, puts out like 10,000 volts, board's brand new, capacitor's brand new, works fine. I had to put another cord on there. I think I'm going to steal the cord out of it to fix something else, I don't know, or sacrifice the cord off another unit of some sort. This is just a generic cord that Gallagher has used for years, and 15 plus years probably, on different models, and they still use them today. So I stole a cord off of something else that was the same cord and slid it on this one. So that's what this story is. Every once in a while we'll get a unit in that someone doesn't want to fix, because 95% of the time we're going to fix it and send it back, because it's usually worth it. We usually save a bunch of money by fixing the unit versus selling a new one or a rebuilt one or whatever. Because we are a dealer for the Gallagher brand. Gallagher's a good quality unit, so they are pricier, but the quality's there, and they carry a 3-year warranty. Gallagher is one of probably the second company to go 3 years on their warranty. Power Wizard was 3-year warranty for a long time on some of their models, and Gallagher was 2 years for warranty for 30 plus years. So they went to a 3-year warranty in January of 2018. Parmak followed suit about June of 2018. And then Speed Right and Stay Fixed and those guys went to a 3-year warranty, I think fall of that 2018 or spring of 2019. I can't remember when. They went to a 3-year warranty as well. They had to kind of, you know, catch up with the Joneses on the warranty stuff, because Gallagher went to it. So the other brands that compete with them that are name brands as well, they followed suit. So that was a good thing. Gave everybody an extra year-long warranty on their product. So he's going to get a good unit with a 3-year warranty on it, and it's transformer is still original. So at the serial number of 2019 on the side there, but capacitor's brand new, board's brand new. So we'll plug it in here. Let me put the cover back on here real quick. Put on the right. I'm just going to flip it over real quick. Pretty basic little box. It's just a box that clicks, a little flashing light, nothing special, nothing fancy. And nice. It's kind of hard to see in the camera, but it's a nice bright green surface mounted LED to put on there, and you can see it from about any angle. Some of them, some units, you got to be about dead straight on at them to be able to see the light flash. The Gallagher's you can see from about almost any angle. Alright, so I'm going to plug it real quick. So this doesn't happen very often where we've got a good rebuilt used one, but on occasion we will. You know, it doesn't happen all the time, but if you're ever looking for a good used fence charger or something like that, get a hold of me and I'll see if I can help you out with it. Maybe I've got one, or maybe I can get you one. Maybe Gallagher's got a scratch and dent one that we can get for you. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. See, but little 10,000 volts come out of that thing. Screwdriver. So you gotta get a couple of them, probably. Yep. Let me get another screwdriver here somewhere. And I was gonna create a spark gap, see what kind of good spark we can get out of the thing. Because this is pretty darn close to the equivalent of what the Zareba 100 mile and American Farmer's 120 mile. This is it's 8 stored joules, 5.9 output. So a Zareba 100 mile is 6 output joules, probably like 10 stored. So they're basically the equivalent to one another. But this is such a lot better product than the Zareba stuff is. Lasts a lot longer, better warranty right out of the box. Better put together unit. It's got half the size or less than half the size of a Zareba thing. But anyway, that's about it on this one. I thought I'd just keep you guys in the loop a little bit. If you're ever looking for one, and get a hold of me, and we'll see if we can get you a good rebuilt unit, possibly. Don't call down and I don't have one. Don't get mad at me, because this doesn't happen all the time. But about 3-4 days ago, we were able to get the parts, finish this one also. I quoted a guy a price. Said, "Oh yeah, that's a good price. I'll take that." So he's like, "You take anything on trade on that other one?" I said, "No, it's junk." So I don't do trade-ins very much. I don't deal in that kind of stuff. I just fix things. I'm a repair guy. We'll sell a new unit every once in a while. We'll sell a used unit every once in a while. Sell some parts for different brands every once in a while. But I'm 90% or better at repairs is what we do. So hopefully you like this kind of stuff. You know, hit the thumbs up button, please. Hit the like button, or the hell they call it, the subscribe button, all that fun stuff. I post videos weekly. I don't have a schedule. I think about it. I'll post one and upload it to YouTube. So it is what it is. So hopefully you like the kind of stuff. Until next time, we'll see you guys later, and have a good day.